as we strive to increase and improve on what we're doing in the educational sector. We had 140 last year. We should at least make some more progress. If we let's meet midway, I would like the voting to be conducted again from between 140, 150, 160. So let's register and do the voting again. Yes. With that, the minimum cutoff point will be 150.
Approved.
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 For colleges of nursing and colleges of agriculture, the minimum cutoff point will be 140.
They were. We move them to. They are saying no.
No. Colleges of agriculture, what's your proposal? 100.
Only one.
Only 100. So let's start all over again. For university admission, the cutoff point will be 150.
Yes, approved.
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 Yeah. For colleges of nursing, the cutoff point will be 140.
Approved.
Approved. For polytechnics, the cutoff point will be 100. Approved. For colleges of agric, the cutoff point will be 100. And colleges of education, the cutoff point will be 100. Thank you.
Now,
please, the people that have the microphone, stay on each aisle. Are there any AOBs that you would like us to consider at this policy meeting? I see, please.
Several years ago, we have to now hold ourselves to much higher standard. We have a population of 220 million. The 70% of our population, they're below the ages of 30 years old. So the students are there. We should just ensure that we provide better quality, better facility for our schools. You heard me talk directly to our legislature today. We're turning primary schools into colleges, into universities. That's why the students are not going there. We had last year, 2-3 years ago, University of Ilorin, I'm going to correct myself, was number one of the number of the university being sought after in the country. Other universities have taken over now. We have to push ourselves. The only way to get better is to push yourself. So if we go back to what we did many years ago of just opening it up, we will lose standard. You won't be able to maintain standard. And we want, and more so importantly, in our education system now, we want higher quality teachers. If we are not training the teachers well, then what do we expect? We expect poor, the students, the output will be poor. So I'm sorry, Provost, we won't do that. We won't go back to the old age. Let's encourage those students at those rural areas, help them to get better prepared to do job. If you want to do your advocacy, help them at the secondary school. Help them more remedial courses and let them get better prepared to do job and they can pass job. The same thing about my observation on the monotechnics, that your candidates counting. I think what's happened is that we've all opened schools just because we wanted to open them. And we're doing courses that are not applicable. Today, if your school, and I disagree with the lady of the private nursing college of nursing, we have a lot of students wanting to read nursing. So open your monotechnic, you can convert them to courses that are highly sought after. We want to improve, we want more people to go into digital technology. The Vice President was just saying that yesterday. Things like AI, machine learning, software methodology, natural language processing, IT automation, proactive security. Those are things we need to focus on, the job of the future. I don't want to, because the Jamb has warned me before this meeting that I shouldn't pull up some of the courses that are being taught in a tertiary institution, and I'll listen to his warning. But you know, there are courses that are highly sought after. We have a vibrant youthful population. They want to learn. So you won't have to candidate scout if you're offering courses that the people need. In fact, you'll be oversubscribed. So that's the answer to that.